Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Just a Mum Winging It. Today do a quick review of these luggage tags that they've just come in the post. So I've just quickly unboxed them. They just came in some plastic wrapping, they didn't come in any boxes or anything, so I just thought I would give a quick review and show you what these tags look like. So I ordered these a good few, maybe three and a half weeks ago, and I paid £28 for both. They've both come from DHGate, and yeah, so let's turn them over and have a look. So I've had these personalised, so they are Louis Vuitton Paris luggage tags. So I wanted these for my to use as like a bag charm on my bags. So as you can see, the stitching is very nice. The hot stamp is beautiful. I just sent them a message and said this is what I would like, and they've done it exactly to how I wanted it. And then you can see the buckle is nice, and the back, there's the stitching. Inside, I can't open that up, it's just like a suede, I can feel it. So yeah, so there's, you can see the stamp Louis Vuitton Paris on there. Let's have a look at the other one. It is beautiful. So this is the light coloured one, and again I had the same, so this is for my other bag. Strap is nice, glazing's done nicely on both, the stitching's nice. There's a bit of a mark, oh no, it's just where it's been cut, so it just wants a, probably just wants a bit of a wipe. So that's just a bit of a mark. I don't know if you can see that. Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. That's where it's been cut. The stitching's nice, like I said. The back, stitching's okay. So yeah, so it's not bad. So just thought they would look pretty hanging off my handbags. So I did pick up, when I ordered these, I have picked up, I will just grab them now, these. A pack of 3, and I got these off eBay, and they were about £5–6. They weren't too much, and they are just little lobster clasps. They're just little lobster clasps, and you can loop that through there, and it just makes it easier to hang. There's no branding on those at all. Like I say, they are just from eBay. No branding at all on those, just plain, but they're going to be clipped on, and I don't mind anyway. I thought they're pretty, and the gold, so they will look really nice. So I'm going to pop those on, and I will pop back in a second, guys, so you can have a look to see what it looks like. Right then, guys, so here we go. I've got the little clasps on there, ready to hang off my bags, and these clasps work really well. So I have just brought my bag through, and I'm going to hang it on so we can see what she looks like. So let's hang her on here. Oh, and it clips on beautifully. Oh, it looks lovely, look. In fact, I might pop it on. I might take that one off and pop it on the other side. But for now, yeah, let's hang her on the other side, look. I'm going to move that one, the padlock, onto the end as well, and clip it onto there with that one. There we go. Oh yeah, she looks lovely. Love that. Really pleased. And then that one for my other ones. Guys, I can't say enough good things about this hot stamping. They've done such a good job. Like, it's perfectly in line, look, it's not wonky or off center. They've done a fabulous job, like very, very well done. And the camera's just not picking up, but can you see just how shiny that is? Like, absolutely beautiful. Very, very impressed with that. Yeah, really, really good. Look at it reflecting in the light. Such a good job. Beautiful. Right guys, that's it for this video. So there we have it. We have our 2 luggage tags from DHGate. If you like these type of videos, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get posted every time we upload a new video. And leave me a comment down below if you like these type of videos. If there's anything else you'd like me to review or anything else you'd like to see, just message me down below and we will see what we can do for you guys. So there we have it. Take care, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.